I had this great, awesome idea for a vlog, and it included my one wheel and me using my gimbal and all that cool stuff, but apparently I left my one wheel home, which really sucks, but hey, what can you do? I guess I'm gonna vlog without it. And so, well, this vlog, I don't know, today's episode or whatever it is, whenever I decide to post on this channel, it's pretty much gonna just be about, I don't know, whatever I want it to be about. I don't know. I'm just kind of disappointed that I left my one wheel home. I'm thinking, you know, I could have made a vlog about, you know, me riding around on my one wheel, but I guess I could just go for a walk. Alright, so I'm on my iPhone now, and the reason why is that I got called to an assignment, and apparently there's a New York City cop that was spying for China. I don't know all the details, but we're out here right now. I'm gonna pan over and I'm gonna show you the news crews. See that? Channel 7 Eyewitness News. All right, so I had quite a day. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing, and I didn't necessarily plan to do an unboxing, but the reason why I'm going to do this unboxing is because it's very something that's, you know, personal to me, because I enjoy shopping and I enjoy dressing up and everything. However, going to the mall is not one of my favorite activities. I enjoy looking for clothes sometimes, and that's a really huge quotation marks and sometimes. Finding things to wear, putting outfits together, you know, takes a lot of time and effort. These days I'm really busy and I just don't have the time and the effort. So I took a chance and researched some clothing subscriptions that are online, and this one in particular is called Threadbeast. You pay about $135 a month for a premium package and you get some clothing. And I haven't opened this box yet, so that's why I've got this multi-tool right here. And I'm gonna see if I can I'm gonna show you guys what's inside. All right, so here we go. Let's see what's inside here. Yeah, I just don't, I used to enjoy shopping when I was younger, but now I'm a dad and stuff, and I'm really busy with work, and that's always my excuse, is that I'm always so busy with work. Let's put that over there. All right, let's open this up. Nice little box. All right, let's see what we got here. And it comes in a nice little package here. All right, and they put a little sticker there. All right. And it says, package number 1. Congratulations on becoming an exclusive Threadbeast member. This box serves as your first style upgrade. The pieces included are meant to be mixed and matched to what you currently own in your closet. Don't forget to log in and keep your style profile up to date. Your styles to use this when curating your packages. All right, cool. Threadbeast, thank you very much. And I paid for all this stuff, so this is not sponsored by Threadbeast. So I'm a large, and they make sure to get all of their, I guess all my clothes, you know, I get to put on all my sizes and whatever my likes are. And this is a nice Calvin Klein sweatshirt. Okay, cool. And so the box is like really heavy. So they give you a whole bunch of items here. So this is a white long sleeve t-shirt. So this is really good for the fall because it's starting to get cold out here in New York. Let's see here, it's Crooks and Castles. So it's white. So there's a lot of white and gray themes here. So this is from Levi's. So Levi's, ooh, this is a nice hoodie. Nice little light duty hoodie. It's not like super heavy. I'm like, man, so this is like a sweatshirt, a long sleeve shirt, and a hoodie, a Levi's hoodie with this little print on the side of it. I kind of like that. And yeah, it's cool. And so far, this looks like at least about close to 80, maybe $100 worth of stuff so far. Let's check out the rest. All right, so we've got ourselves a pair of khakis. All right, these are kind of like, all right, look like capris or almost, sort of, all right, by Elwood. So this is a pair of sweats. Oh, these are pretty cool. They got the little rips right here. I think that's pretty awesome. It's by Jaywalker. In New York, we do a lot of jaywalking. We never obey the signals. Bro, this is actually pretty legit. This is pretty fire. I like this. All right, cool. Let's count. It's like 5 items so far. All right, and dang, give you a pair of kicks. Nice pair of Pumas here. A little blue pair of Pumas. Check that out, man. All right. All right. Okay. These I could definitely rock with something that's here. It's nice to have like something, you know, in different colors here. So these sneakers are a good addition, and I might wear them occasionally. Okay, Benny Gold, past, present, future. It's a snapback fit. It's not a fitted cap, but snapback cap. Yo, what is this? Okay, a pair of boxers. Bro, these are, what size are these? This is actually, I'm really happy with all of this stuff. And let me know if you guys like this this new setup. I'm using a V-flat for the background or whatever, but yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you guys like this video, definitely give this video a thumbs up. Like the video, it really helps with people finding content on YouTube, and also hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos, and hit that notification bell to get notified the next time I drop a new video on YouTube. And guys, thank you so much for watching. And if you like seeing like unboxings and everything like that, especially like this, I'll probably do another one next month, and I'll show off whatever came in the mail. And yeah, and so I'll talk about something else more photography related some other time down the road, but for right now, that's what's going on. And I really do appreciate you guys watching. Thanks so much, and I'll talk to you on the next one. Peace.